Presenting the Amazon brand Solimo 2000 watt room heater. It is available in two color variants of beige and white. Solimo room heater provides effective heating with its copper winded motor, which gives 2400 rotations per minute and works on 2000 watts, generating enough heat to keep a small to medium sized room warm. It is lightweight at 1.15 kg and is easy to carry between rooms. This heater is equipped to be safe from overheating, designed to automatically switch the motor off if it reaches temperatures of 130 degrees Celsius. Also present is a safety fuse, which goes off when the heater reaches temperatures of 126 degrees Celsius. The plastic body of the heater is fire retardant and features a metal grill which keeps the copper element securely locked in, making it a safe option for homes and families. The heater comes with two knobs and variable thermostat settings, allowing you to manage the amount of heat depending on the outside temperature. It is wall mountable and can be easily mounted on a wall away from the reach of children in either horizontal or vertical manner. Inside the box, you can find the room heater and instruction manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product.